So this video we are trying to solve this 1662. Before I start, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay. So given two array word1 and word2 return true if the two arrays represent the same thing, same string, and false otherwise. So a string is represented by array if the array elements concatenate in order forms a string. So this ABC. If you concatenate, it becomes ABC, and this becomes ABC. So they are the same, just return true. Okay, then this is ACB, ABC, they are not the same, it's false. Okay, so and this is the same. So to solving this, we just write a function to concatenate the word, right? Concatenate a list. Okay, so this can be done by this join method. So this join method, this join word1 will return this ABC. Okay, so this is the trick. And okay, so let me just print it for you to check whether this is correct. So suppose I can print this one, right? Okay, so if this word1 return ABC and this word2 return ABC, if they are the same, they return true, else return false, right? So actually we just need this one line. We just need this one line. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so you see this returns ABC, right? std out return ABC. So we just don't need this. Okay, submit. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in the next other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.